In this video we're going to learn how to plot a sequence, and this is a way of representing our sequences in a graphical way like this. And the thing that's important here is that the y values, the heights, represent the value in the sequence. So here the first term is 1, the second term is 3, the third term is 5 and the fourth term is 7. Now we've got points here, but depending on what we're actually representing, we might actually join these points together with a line. So imagine if it was height that these were representing, height in year 1, year 2, year 3 and so on. Obviously we'd expect the height to gradually change in between, so we would join those with a line. To plot the sequence we need either the actual values from the sequence, we might say plot the sequence 1, 3, 5, 7, or you might want to plot the generating function. You might be given a generating function that you plot instead. Okay, so how do we do it from a sequence where we've been given the values like this, 2, 5, 8, 11? Well, because these are just points in a graph, we just need the pairs of coordinates. So because the first term is a 2, we then have the coordinate pair 1, 2. The second term is 5, so we have the coordinate pair 2, 5. The third one's 8, so it's 3, 8, and finally 4, 11. And we plot this, we get the point 1, 2, the point 2, 5, the point 3, 8, and the point 4, 11. And that is our sequence represented graphically. Okay, so this time we've got a generating function instead. We already know how to create a sequence from a generating function, so it should be kind of obvious what we've got to do here. So to find the first term, we let n equals 1, and that tells us that the first term is 5, so we plot the point 1, 5. When we put 2 in here, we get 2 times 2 plus 3 is 7, so it's going to be 2, 7. When we put 3 in, we have 2 times 3 plus 3, which is 9, so we plot 3, 9, and finally we get 4, 11. And when we plot these coordinates on a pair of axes, we get this graphical representation here. Now I don't know what this represents, so maybe there's a line between them. I've just done it very faintly in red. That's not me saying you should do that each time. It's just showing you that we could possibly do that. I hope you found the video helpful. The video goes with a book that I'm writing for Year 9 Mathematics in New Zealand, and you can find a link to a copy of the book below, and that book is free for you to use and give to others. In the book you can find questions that go with this video, and in a link below this video you'll be able to find answers to those questions. Stay in Infield with Winfield.